Today we are going to draw numbers from 1 to 4 and color them. Let's start. Let's start with 1. Let's color 1 with red color. Boom, 1 is color. Now let's draw 2. Now let's color 2 with yellow color. Start. Follow the steps to draw beautifully. Oh, whose coloring is done? Let's draw 3. Follow the steps as it is showing on the screen. Try to draw beautifully. Now, we are going to use orange color to draw 3. Boom, 3 is drawn. Let's draw 4. Let's start coloring 4. Color 4 with dark green color. Let's start. Boom! 4 is drawn. Did you enjoy the video? Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.